Denarau is over there. Oh, look at you. Look at you. I saw you trying to get that shot. Don't worry, there's no shame in trying. Morning guys, and it's our second last day here in Fiji, and yesterday we made it to Abaca village, so we were just woken up, had a good old breakfast here. So we're just gonna go for a mountain trek this morning, and yeah, this is the place where we slept last night, and here is a bed where we stayed. Pretty cool. Reminds me of when I did that trek in Burma, and we did a homestay as well. The place we stayed, it was similar to this, and we had beds all along here on the mats, but it was so cold. We all had like 2 sets of thick fleece blankets on. I remember I had to cover my face since it was so cold that night. Here's Alex, rookie mistake. Left chocolate in a bag, open, and the ants got to it. Actually, I had Oreos in my bag. I wonder if... Oh, side pocket. Oh, there's ants that got in it too. I left 2 Oreos in there to save it for something, to save an Oreos, and now it's all gone. It was sunny this morning actually, but I think a bit of clouds come in, but look at this. This is just outside our homestay. How cool is this place? So hopefully the sun comes out again later on, and we'll get ready to go on a trek. Look how cool this shower area is at the back. Out with nature. And I don't know if I've told you guys yet, but Fiji water seems safe to drink. Been drinking it on all our trips here, and we both feel fine, don't we? Yes. I'm about to go sliding. Alright guys, we're now just at the start of our trek. It is a 6-hour trek for this morning, and we are going to go straight to the top, up that thing. And it's a good thing it didn't rain too much last night, because these tracks are still relatively muddy, and any wetter I would be slippery sliding all the way down where I just came from. So we left the village just before 9 o'clock, 8:45, so hopefully if we keep up the pace, we'll be back by 4 o'clock. So I think it's gonna be a pretty good day out. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Just checking in. Only 30 minutes we've been through, and I am sweating like anything. Thank God. It's a little break stop. As you guys just saw, had to walk up steep, narrow tracks, muddy tracks, through tall grass, weaving our way through. And lucky the mud's like dried up a little bit, otherwise this would be so much harder. But we are here now. Our first lookout. The village is right over there, right where we came from. So just over where we are now as well, you could see Mamanuca Islands just in the distance over there. Then our port is on the other side of this hill, and yeah, that's where you catch the boat there, and the Isawas further out that way. And also with this trek, if you're allergic to grass, I wouldn't recommend it, because I wouldn't say I'm allergic to grass, but check this out. See these things? So we are now out of the open area of the tall grass and made our way back into the forest under the canopy of the high humidity warm forest. Now, I don't know if you could see, I am dripping sweat. Oh man, it is hot under here. So an hour and a half in, guys, and we have made it halfway on the stream where we're just filling up our water bottles. Water's that fresh, and yeah, we are quite a way up, but have a feeling the rest of the way is going to be a really steep uphill. Fresh Fiji water. Now we have really made it to the end of the road. This is the lookout of the mountain trek here in Abaca village. Yeah, now we're just chilling. We've made it, and hopefully the fog clears up even just for a little bit so we could see everything down there. You know what time it is, guys? It's time to take Mav up. Damn, guys, the weather has been good to us, and look at this. Wow, that is amazing. That is sick. Why are you laughing at me? This is literally, check where I am. I am standing right on the ledge. This is making me nervous. Okay, that's enough hero for now. But guys, look at this. Denarau is over there. Oh, look at you. Look at you. I saw you trying to get that shot. Don't worry, there's no shame in trying. Really recommend it, guys. If you're ever in Fiji and you have a bit of spare time and you know you're tired of the islands, go into the mainland, go to Nadi, go to Lautoka, trek it up to Abaca village and do this mountain trek. Now, something I realized, I didn't even introduce Nisi, who took us up here today. So what better time to do an interview than on the ledge of this and find out a bit more. So I know you told us a lot of this info already, but so Nisi is your name, and how many people in your family?
8.
8 people, so there's 6 kids. 2 girls, 4 boys, and that's exactly like my family. So, are you when the kids youngest, eldest?
Third.
The third eldest. Oh, okay, so I'm the elder half. And thank you for leading us up here. It's a beautiful hike.
Welcome.
And she did it in barefoot. That is crazy. I would not have survived through the jungle and the forest in barefoot. Alright guys, while the weather's good, I think it's time to make it all the way back down to the village. It'll take us about 2 hours, so we're hungry, we're starving, and it's going to be time to have a late lunch. I'll see you guys back there. Ooh, alright, lots of flies. It's okay. Alright, time for lunch. Yeah. Okay, see you guys. Bye. See you guys. Alright guys, that's it for today. Massive day. We made it back to Nadi, so we had to catch our truck back to Sigatoga, and then from Sigatoga catch a local bus to Nadi. Hola. Yeah. How you going, man? Having a good evening?
Right.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Need some weed?
Oh no, I'm good, man. All good. Caught a taxi to downtown Nadi Downtown Hotel, which is where we're gonna stay for the night to get ready for our flight out tomorrow. So once again, thanks for joining me today, guys. One more half day tomorrow, so I'll catch you guys then.